How to Make Money Online in 2025, your step-by-step guide. It's 2025, and the digital economy is bigger than ever. People from all walks of life are earning thousands, sometimes millions, by leveraging the power of the internet. The best part, you don't need to be a tech genius or have a huge following to start making money online. All you need is a plan, a little creativity, and the determination to stick with it. Here's how you can join the growing number of people thriving in the online economy. 1. Freelancing. Turn your skills into cash. Do you write, design, code, or edit videos? Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Adaptable make it easier than ever to connect with clients worldwide. Even if you're starting with no experience, entry-level gigs and tasks like social media management, virtual assistants, or data entry can help you break in. Over time, as you build your portfolio, your income can skyrocket. 2. Start a content creation business. In 2025, content is king. Whether it's creating YouTube videos, TikToks, or a niche blog, you can monetize your passions. The trick is to find what you love and make it relatable for others. For instance, if you love cooking, create step-by-step videos with recipes. Use platforms like Patreon, affiliate marketing, or ads to generate income. 3. Tap into e-commerce. Thanks to platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon, selling products online has never been easier. Whether you're creating handmade crafts, selling print-on-demand items, or curating trending products, e-commerce can be incredibly lucrative. Pair your shop with social media marketing to reach thousands of potential customers daily. 4. Explore passive income streams. The dream of earning while you sleep is real. Online courses, digital products, and affiliate marketing are some of the most popular ways to create passive income. For example, you could design an online course teaching a skill you know, like photography or budgeting. Once it's up, it can bring in income for years. 5. Participate in the creator economy. If you've ever thought about starting a podcast, writing a newsletter, or creating an online community, now's the time. Platforms like Substack, Spotify, and Discord allow creators to monetize their work in new and exciting ways. Find your niche and start connecting with people who share your interests. 6. Invest in yourself and stay adaptable. The online world evolves quickly. Stay ahead by learning new skills and keeping up with trends. Enroll in affordable courses on sites like Coursera, Udemy, or Skillshare. The more adaptable you are, the more opportunities you'll discover. Your digital journey awaits. Making money online in 2025 isn't a pipe dream, it's a reality waiting for you to seize it. Start small, stay consistent, and build step by step. Before you know it, you'll have a sustainable income stream that brings you closer to financial freedom. So, what's stopping you? The internet is your canvas. Go paint your success story.